guys, Ray here. On this video, I'm gonna show you how to register on the EastWest mobile banking app. I don't actually have an account in EastWest, pero meron akong credit card. So, pwede din natin gamitin yung app nila kahit credit card lang ang meron tayo.
Download the app, then click Register to EasyWay. So, before we register, kailangan meron tayong account, credit card, or debit card from EastWest. On our case, credit card ang meron tayo. Agree to the terms and conditions and click Continue. Select verification method. Since credit card tayo, dito tayo sa second option. Click Continue. And then, let's input our credit card number and the expiration date. Tapos, continue. So, may marireceive tayong code, OTP, on our mobile number. Tapos, create a username. Click continue. And, ayan, meron na tayong access to EastWest Mobile Banking or EasyWay. Click login. And login tayo gamit yung username and password na kakaset up. OTP and submit. So, i-enable din natin yung Face ID for easier and faster login. Confirm our passcode. Read the terms and conditions. And yan, success. So, first thing na makikita natin is our dashboard. Makikita natin dito yung credit card details ko. So, I could just click it and yan, makikita ko na lahat ng details about my card, yung credit limit, cash advance limit, and click this to view transactions. Yan. So, instantly, makikita natin yung mga credit card transactions natin dito. Usually, nai-email ako with my credit card statement. But with the app, pwede din natin i-check yung statement or transactions natin dito. So, punta tayo sa statements. Yan. You can also see the details of your statements here and yung mga past statements natin. But, the thing is, if we want to pay our credit card, hindi natin pwede gawin through the app unless meron tayong account from them. So, try natin. If ever meron kang EastWest bank account, so, syempre, ililink mo muna yung account nyo and then go to Pay Bills. Since wala pa tayong billers, i-add natin sa EastWest. Add new biller, biller nickname, so tayo na bahala maglagay niyan. And then, select a biller. So, si EastWest card and yung credit card number. Okay, click save. Now, if magbabayad na ng bills, just click yung kakagawa nating biller and then source. Pipiliin nyo yung EastWest account nyo dito sa from. Ayan. But unfortunately, for me, wala akong EastWest account, kaya hindi ko nalagyan. But after that, ilagay nyo lang yung amount dito and then click continue. And there you go. Other things na pwede natin gawin on the app, aside from link an account, so kung meron kayong EastWest accounts, dito nyo isa-select. Meron silang book time deposit. Again, you need an existing account. To do this, pipiliin nyo yung term period. So, as short as 30 days to 360 days. The amount, rollover details, manage cards. So, makikita niyo yung card nyo. So, if nawala niyo yung card nyo, unfortunately, wala silang feature dito na pwede nyo i-lock yung card nyo. Kailangan nyong tumawag sa customer service nila or mag-email. Deposit check. Yan, pwede tayong mag-deposit a check or trace mobile check. Ayan, pwede din tayo mag-transfer ng funds to own EastWest account, to other EastWest accounts, sa mga EastWest rural banks or Como accounts. Pwede din kayo mag-transfer to other banks via InstaPay or PesoNet. So, itong QR, hindi pa available as of now. And again, yung pay bills and more. So, this is where you can manage yung account nyo and yung app. Again, manage cards, manage favorites, biometrics, which is sinet up natin earlier. Change passcode, and ayan.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something on this video. For more videos similar to these, don't forget to check these out. Thank you. Bye!